What's going on, YouTube? So you already see what time it is. We made another terrible financial decision, scrolling through Amazon, but Christmas came early, so I'm gonna open it up and see what we're working with. So I ended up grabbing the IKON brand Louvers, for the first gen S197, but I think they fit all the S197s up to 14. First impression, they actually look better than I thought they were going to. Yeah, I like the quality of these. I was looking at these, and then the Lamborghini style ones that everyone's been rocking with, the little $150 ones, I think they cost. But I went with these because, as you see, they got little mountain spots where you can take them off and clean the window, or if you're finna get on the highway, take a trip, pull them off. I guess the plastic ones make a lot of noise from what I'm hearing. I guess I'll find out. But yeah, I like the style. I think they look a little classier than the Lamborghini style ones too, so there we go. So I just went and sat them on so I can get a visual. I like how the texture matches the spoiler. I gotta wait until my girl gets home. She's gonna give me a helping hand to install them later. So, but just seeing them resting up there, I think it's gonna look real good. So the louvers came with these little mountain tabs for like the hardware and whatnot, and this kind of sketchy looking adhesion promoter. But yeah, you're supposed to wipe down the area, the outer edge of the window with this before you stick the tape on it or whatever. So I'm gonna mock it up and then put the anti-vibration tape and everything on afterwards. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the outer edge with this adhesion promoter. It like goes on wet and kind of evaporates or whatever. I already sprayed it down with some glass cleaner and wiped it off and whatnot, so I'm gonna get it cleaned up and start getting this thing stuck on. So I got it sitting on there. Got it pretty much lined up on both sides. The glass is bigger than it on the bottom, a little bit wider. I already wiped it down and everything, so my plan pretty much, we're gonna lift up the front and set these front two, and then do the rest of them. And I'm not too worried about the trunk clearance because press it down, there's a pretty nice gap on the bottom. So I got all the little tabs on. Went through, pressed them all down. Kind of make sure they catch that curve of the window. Went and pulled on them a little bit. They seem to be on there pretty good, so I'm gonna let them sit, do their thing, get used to the curve, and it'll probably be tomorrow when I actually bolt them down and put them on. But yeah, I got my spoiler off right now. I wasn't sure if I was going to color match it or leave it black, so I didn't 3M tape it down. So I'm gonna clean that up and I'm gonna get it taped down, since I'm gonna go ahead and leave it black to match the louvers. There we go. Let it sit for about an hour and set and do its thing or whatever. But yeah, she's all bolted down on there. And I put the little squish tape in between the front and the back, and then in between the front of each of these, because they hit the window a little bit. So I don't know if they'll move around a little when the wind hit them, but I like them so far. Like I said, I never taped down the spoiler, so I'm finna set it back on here and we'll be done for today. So there's the finished product. The louvers and the spoiler all together. Like I said, so far, I like the look. Right around, see how much noise they make. But So far, I like it. There goes the end result. Spoiler tape down. Just put it on the highway. They make a little vibration, but not too bad. Not as bad as I thought. And I mean, they're still on, so I guess it worked. So that's the view inside the car. I got 5% tint, but it's not too bad yet. I imagine I probably can't see nothing at night. Nothing at all. Yeah, there it is.